Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Tuesday, March 17, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. US markets closed sharply higher in the latest session, with the Dow gaining nearly 400 points, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also posted strong gains led by technology stocks. The rally came as crude oil prices cooled off, easing inflation worries and improving overall investor sentiment after recent volatility. Asian markets traded mostly higher on Tuesday, with Japan's Nikkei gaining around 0.4% and South Korea's Kospi rising over 2.5%, leading gains across the region. The positive momentum comes as investors reacted to a rebound in global equities and hopes of stabilization despite ongoing Middle East tensions, although elevated crude oil prices continue to keep sentiment cautious. NIFTY futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,500, thereby indicating a flat to positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices remain highly volatile as ongoing Middle East tensions and uncertainty around the Strait of Hormuz continue to keep supply concerns elevated, despite some recent price pullback. Gold prices are trading lower, extending recent losses due to a stronger US dollar and rising bond yields, although safe haven demand persists amid geopolitical uncertainty. Reliance Industries has signed a $3 billion-plus long-term deal with Samsung C&T to supply green ammonia for 15 years, with deliveries set to begin from the second half of fiscal year 2029, marking a major push into clean energy exports. Pharma has received US FDA approval to expand the use of its drug Ilumya for treating psoriatic arthritis, strengthening its specialty portfolio in the global market. GMDC has signed an MOU with NMDC to explore opportunities in the rare earth elements space, aiming to strengthen India's position in critical minerals and strategic resources. Once again, another flat to positive open is expected for NIFTY today, due to strong global cues from a strong opening for all Asian markets, along with a positive close seen for the US markets yesterday. Supports for NIFTY will remain at 23,255, followed by 23,085, while hurdles on the way up will be at 23,500 followed by 23,825. Persistently elevated crude oil prices near $100, ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, and continued FYI selling could keep volatility high and weigh on investor sentiment and inflation outlook. Cooling crude oil prices, improving global market sentiment led by the U.S. rebound, and sustained domestic institutional buying, along with positive developments in pharma and green energy sectors, could support a recovery in Indian markets. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 9,366 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 12,593 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on March 17, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.